Hey friends, welcome back. Before I get to unboxing, I want to put together a flower bouquet. My husband brought some flowers home for me last night, and I want to put it together in one of my favorite vases. I love having fresh flowers in the house, and when we lived in Germany, I had them all the time. But here in Hawaii, they're very expensive. So I haven't had a chance to really have a lot of fresh flowers, but he knows that I like them, and we only have about 2 weeks left here. So I got a beautiful bouquet, and I'm gonna put them together in one of my favorite vases. So come along. Welcome back. This is my October box, even though it is November now. And I have 2 weeks left in this house. Thankfully, we finally got our orders and we are scheduled to pack out in about 2 weeks. So I will be skipping the next month. I'm gonna ask Redbird to hold on to my box, so I'll have a double unboxing in December, I guess. It'll be in my temporary house because we probably won't have our, permanent house set up yet, but that's okay. We will make it work. But I am super excited about this one. This is another kind of large box, so let's go ahead and get into it. We'll try to, you can see all of this. All right, so our first, of course, I love these little pins that they add in their packaging. This is gorgeous. This is actually a perfect little pin for if you just want, just right on your lapel, just a little something. This is gorgeous. I love that. All right. Okay, so we hope you love this box this month. We included a couple extras due to wear, but they have lots of life left. I get it, okay. So some things that are a bit worn, but they still have some life. Of course they do. All right, so first thing, we've got another scarf. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. We have grapes and pears. Oh, that is adorable. I really like that. That's actually beautiful enough to kind of frame and hang it up on the wall, isn't it? It feels like silk. That's lovely. I really like that. The colors are beautiful. Okay, what do we have in this little bag? Oh my goodness. Oh, we've got maybe another set or a couple of sets. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so these aren't sets, but they do kind of go together. But this is spectacular. I'm gonna say this is a magnolia. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but that is a phenomenal statement brooch. That is exactly the kind of brooch that I like to wear. That is gorgeous. You can hear Fiona, she's trying to scoot across the floor. I don't know where she thinks she's going, but okay, here is a beaded necklace. Oh, this is beautiful. This is very intricate. It's it has some gold and some enamel. We've got little pink flowers and the leaves. That's stunning. Okay, so we've got two clip-on earrings, two sets of clip-on earrings. They don't match the other necklaces, but they kind of go they still go together. They're kind of in the same color scheme. Those are beautiful. Kind of looks like they have pearl, mother of pearl, some more little crystals on there. And these are really beautiful. They kind of look like shells. They're really swirly with some gold and kind of pink or maybe cream color, and then the gray outline. Those are beautiful. Very 50s. All right. Oh goodness. We've got all kinds of things in here. What are these? Let me get some of this out of the way here. Oh my gosh. I really appreciate the bubble wrap because this is going to make things easier for me to just wrap these up when we move. Oh goodness. Oh, how darling. Oh my gosh, this is very similar to the a vase I have. I think I might have a matching set here. I'm assuming these are little cordial glasses. Oh, these are stunning. Oh, wow, yep, I have a matching set here. These cut glass cordial glasses. Oh, wow. Those are beautiful. I absolutely love those. So cute, so dainty, and very similar to a vase I have. Well, thanks again for joining me to open up my Redbird Vintage box this month. I'm going to be trying to do some vlogging while we're getting ready to move, and I'm going to put together another catalog, kind of flip through of my 1938 Spiegel catalog. This one has a lot more color illustrations, and it's a lot more visually stunning than the Montgomery Ward catalog. So I hope that you guys like it. I absolutely loved this catalog. I just can't stop looking through it. It's so beautiful, and I hope you like it too. So thank you again so much. Thank you, Redbird, for sending me these gorgeous items, and I will see you again soon. Bye.